Lucy was an ordinary girl who loved taking walks around her quiet neighborhood. One Sunday morning, while walking to the corner store to buy milk, she noticed something strange near the park. There, lying under a bench, was a small glowing pebble. Curious, Lucy picked it up, and as soon as her fingers touched the pebble, it shimmered brightly, almost like it was alive. She felt a strange, warm sensation in her hand and looked around to see if anyone else had noticed. But the park was empty. As she continued her walk home, the pebble began to vibrate slightly, and Lucy suddenly heard a tiny voice. "Thank you for finding me," it said softly. Startled, she looked down, but the pebble was still and silent. Thinking it was her imagination, she continued walking. But each time she glanced at the pebble, it seemed to glow a little brighter. As she walked by her neighbor's garden, she noticed something incredible. Flowers were blooming in full color right before her eyes, as if spring had arrived in seconds. She gasped, holding the pebble tighter. "Are you doing this?" she whispered to the pebble. The tiny voice returned, clearer now. "Yes, and there's more magic to see if you believe." Excited and nervous, Lucy continued on, watching as the pebble seemed to sprinkle small bits of magic everywhere she went. Birds sang more sweetly. Trees rustled as if greeting her, and even the gloomy, cloudy sky began to clear up. Finally, back at her home, Lucy placed the pebble on her windowsill, where it sparkled in the sunlight, casting small rainbows across her room. She realized that even though the pebble might be magical, it had shown her the beauty in her everyday world. From that day on, Lucy kept the pebble with her, reminding her to look for magic in the little things around her every day.